Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start next lecture for installation of Testrail requirements and guide. Now we are going to install on Windows. So installation on Windows, preparing the server. Okay, Testrail requires a web server, a SQL database, SQL server or MySQL, SQL database, Cassandra 3.1 and working PHP environment to be installed on the server. On Windows servers, Testrail works best with Microsoft IIS web server and PHP configured to run with fast CGI. The easiest way to install PHP on Windows is to use Microsoft web platform. You can see that you can click here and this link goes to the Microsoft website where you can install web platform installer for your installation. You can see that web platform installer 5.1. You can search and install these drivers. Microsoft drivers 5.1, 5.8, 7v version 7 PHP 7.3 for SQL server in IIS, and Windows cache extension 2.0 for PHP 7.3 and PHP 7.3.25. Okay, to install PHP with the web platform installer, select the products tab at the top of the window and select the following packages by pressing the add buttons next to the packages: PHP 7.3.x or PHP 7.4.x, Microsoft drivers 5.8 for PHP, 7.3 for SQL server in IIS, or Microsoft drivers 5.8 for PHP 7.4 for SQL server in IIS. So the SQL driver package is required to be Testrail to connect to SQL server database. Next, install both packages and all dependencies such as IIS itself by clicking the install button. Please make sure to install the full IIS edition and not IIS Express. If you do not want to use the web platform installer to install PHP, Microsoft also explained how to install PHP manually on IIS 6 and IIS 7. You should also install the Microsoft SQL Server driver for PHP. When installing PHP manually, the driver needs the SQL Server native client to be installed. So this is installed automatically for you when you use the web platform installer. Okay, you can see that these all are the steps which we go through for installations, and you can see that if you install a web platform installer, it should be installed automatically all your extensions. We are going to the next slide. So this is the installing the prerequisites. So you can you must ensure that these things are with you. To use Testrail on Windows with a SQL Server database, the following PHP extensions are required. First one, SQL Server PHP extension to access SQL Server database, curl PHP extension to check for updates, JSON PHP extension for configure files and integrations, mstring PHP extension for working with Unicode strings, Incube PHP loader to decode the Testrail PHP files, zlib PHP extension that enables you transparently read and write the zip.gz compressed files required for enterprise customers only, PDO/dblib extension for Phoenix to run properly. So today we are here and we studied all these steps how to install on Testrail on Windows. So we will do practically in next lecture. So please touch with me and like, subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming new videos. Thank you.